Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have, what do we have, my love? What the place name again?
Moonswiners. It's a barbecue place in the hood.
In the hood. But why are we eating this today, my love?
You always acting the same thing, you know. Every time, you know. Because
it's Fast Food Friday.
FFF in the building. Likewise, you know.
Now this meal was catered by Raquel, and we appreciate it. And she also sent Richie a birthday cash app.
Appreciate that. But on the same token, R&B photography, cash app me too. We appreciate you also. Both of y'all.
Yes. Now Raquel, if that's not the name
Yes.
that you comment on, let us know.
No, exactly.
Because we're going by the cash app name, okay?
Yes.
But we're going to dig in. We're going to tell you guys what we have. I have mashed potatoes, string beans, and I have some catfish. They also give you some, what is the name again?
Garlic bread.
Garlic bread. And then we have some coleslaw. And what do you have, my love?
Smoked barbecue chicken, them say. Yeah, it's supposed to be smoked barbecue chicken, okay? French fries, you know, mac and cheese, and mashed potato, and First Lady coleslaw too.
And then he also have garlic bread.
Garlic bread, and then you know I got the hot sauce. You know it's not Grace who win the race, but it's all right. You want to try it?
So because this meal was catered by Raquel, we went out and we got some good stuff. So hopefully it tastes good because this is our first time trying this restaurant.
Yeah, it is. But we went there like 2 weeks ago. Cause we saw, we was like, yo, what kind of long line is this? And we was like, yo, we gotta try this place. We went there. We said we're gonna come back and do it. But the following week we went back, the owner passed away. So you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
So they wasn't open. He said that was the first time they wasn't open in like 30 years.
30 years.
And we lived here for 13 years and we've never paid attention to that restaurant. But one day we was driving by and it was packed.
See, we thought it was a club. Yeah.
That's good.
That's good. Okay, hold on.
You know,
Hold on.
okay, that mashed potato is really good. I got my 2-time spicy sauce here.
All right.
And put it to the side. In case I wanna.
Raquel, you catered, so you take the first bite.
Oh!
Yeah, take it first
yeah,
bite.
man.
I don't want to put it too close. It's good.
That
look awesome. You
yes.
know? All right.
Let me give her
Make sure
the catfish.
Give her a piece too, man, because they said you know
it's hot too.
Ooh, be careful.
Yes, nice and hot.
There you go.
Here you go.
Take
Thank
a bite.
you so much.
Appreciate that. Appreciate that. Let me take a bite of the we got it, Kardashian chicken. Wait for it. We're gonna get into it. We're gonna see what the hype about. We're gonna see what the hype about. Hot man, all right. We're gonna see what this hype about because I got something to say.
So far, I'm happy.
And from First Lady happy, that's a good sign. Hold on, y'all. Hold on.
That catfish is seasoned.
You took the word out of my mouth.
Seasoned.
Seasoned. Oh God. Why you didn't tell us it was that season? Oh my goodness. It is seasoned, Tom.
It's good.
How is chicken?
The chicken was good.
Good?
They do have beef there. We were gonna get that, but we wanted beef ribs. They don't sell beef ribs. But they do have beef meat. So the next time we go there, we'll get beef meat and some pork ribs.
No pork ribs.
This is good.
So I got Chick-fil-A and Wendy's sauce. So the same. Doing the same something. Oh, she might be Chick-fil-A right so. I like that one. I like tear the paper.
2-time spicy sauce is good with this.
Yo, First Lady, that cat pig is a season.
I can imagine their fried shrimp.
Oh my God! You know something? Should I get the fried shrimp?
I was going to.
Okay. The French fries I'm eating.
Mashed potatoes is good.
Hmm?
I ain't gonna lie. For the fries, they could have given us some more fries.
Yeah.
They were stingy with the fries.
They was well stingy with the fries.
But everything else is good.
Yeah. They could have given some more. What do you call it? French fries. No cap. Chicken tomato. But let's taste the mac and cheese.
But you don't like big chicken.
Mac and cheese is good too. It's season 2. You want to taste it?
Sure. You gave me 2.
Yeah, because I know you don't like stuff
You
like
gave
that.
me 2 macaroni and cheese, Richie. You count the macaroni and cheese and give me 2 macaroni and cheese.
You don't like stuff like that. When you don't like stuff like that, family, I don't give a lot.
Yeah, right. They want to share.
They're good.
But I was eating my food.
This
All
too
right.
is season 2.
The mashed potatoes is really good.
It is. Okay.
Okay. Everything is delicious.
Everything is good so far.
We'll be back.
Well.
Right, you catered a good meal. Thank you.
We appreciate that.
Delicious.
We appreciate that.
How we drive past a restaurant all the time.
I know, and we never go there. Okay, let me try this one now. Piece of the what happened? Piece of the Thai. So you know I don't like Thai like that, but and if you take the fat off like chicken too.
Get feather and chicken? A real chicken man.
Chicken my thing. So chicken fat off like chicken Mario. Can't do that right now. Got it on deck. No. Yeah. Other than that, it's a go. What y'all been up to? Appreciate y'all coming to the live too also.
We had a lot of fun.
We had a lot of fun in the live.
We were just chilling in the bed.
Yep. You don't want a piece of this? You sure? So when I ask no one and then I start and to say I didn't offer you none.
Alright, good. One thing, barbecue places, you know it's barbecue. It smells like barbecue.
Smoky. Smoking. I got Gatorade for you everyone.
Okay, have some? You sharing some Gatorade today?
Always share, dog. Sharing is caring.
Let me see how much you're gonna give me.
I'm good enough.
Cause you're stingy man.
I put up my cup already. Give me my on.
You're stingy bud.
No, because you don't drink enough. First, they don't drink enough, family, so I can't give her too much stuff.
Yeah, right. If you guys saw how much
What?
mac and cheese he gave me 2 mac and cheese. I was counting.
They saw it because they say you don't eat a lot. We're not gonna lie about that. Coleslaw.
That Gatorade is really good.
Family. We're not gonna lie. I don't know if this is a mama and papa spot, but if you have it, it's called Moonswiners. Google it, go check it out. But that place stay packed. And you
It
know,
must be new. No way.
Listen. Me and first day nosy. We had to drive by. Wait. On that same day.
We was getting the soul food.
Soul food. You see? We was getting food from our next place. And then we saw that place. So I said, yo, we had to make a Yui, son.
But when we Googled if there's more of this restaurant in Florida, that's the only one that I saw. And that one's in Fort Pierce. Okay, that's the hood.
That's the hood. We made a Yui. Went there. We said, no, what's going on? We said, this is the best joint in town. Okay.
We see why. It was, I mean, it was
Packed.
packed. We should have took a video. It was packed inside, packed outside. People were calling on the phone to place orders because they have a drive-through. So inside was packed, drive-through was packed, and they were taking phone orders. And the lady was like, "Oh my god!"
Too much.
As soon as she hangs up, the phone ring again. Take an order, hang up, phone ring again. I said, "Well, damn."
Yeah.
Now we see why.
Yeah. I ain't gonna lie, I'm taste the breast now. You know, breast is the Breast is the best. I don't stress the rest when it's time for the breast. Oh, no. Come on, papa, man. Just rest.
You taste the leg, then the thigh, and then the breast. What's the difference? Isn't all season the same?
To be honest, the wing, that more feeling.
Oh. Well, you know I like leg and thighs. It's more juicy. I don't really like breast. Oh. Damn.
You want to hear the wing?
My legs. I'm good, baby. My legs stuck to the chair, man. I don't have on any pants today.
You know. Boy, I don't have a little pants.
I just have on my shirt.
First, I didn't got no clothes today.
No. I don't have an outfit of the day because it's Friday, so. Right? What do I need pants for?
Yeah. Mama said she snitched on me. I don't be wearing pants. It's all good. You can't eat breast. You can't eat breast, you can't get on.
I'm good on that.
That catfish is seasoned though.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie.
Where's that, macaroni and cheese?
Somebody always boxes the food out of my mouth, you know.
Oh, is it macaroni and cheese?
You know who boxes it out of my mouth?
Who?
The bushwashers.
Yeah. And you haven't had that much macaroni and cheese to begin with, so you can't afford to drop it.
That's true. Bushwashers boxing down. It's all good. Appreciate the love.
Good.
Damn, brother, you finish your food already? You take some more of my mashed potato. These some of my food. She helping me out today. These some of my food. She finished her food today. She already told me that. I gonna be honest, family. She said, Richie, this food ain't gonna fool me. The first that you say that, you know. I'm usually one to say that. Here you go. This is not gonna fool me. I said, really? And look, it shows. So, you can take some of mine, okay? Some of my mashed potatoes and stuff.
Well, Richie's gonna give me some ice cream later.
And some ice cream for her.
We're not really ice cream people, but we like to go out and get ice cream once in a while.
Yeah.
But it's not something that we eat in the house.
That place where we always go, you think they have it in every state, you think? Or most majority of the state, them?
Probably Twister.
Twisters or Twisties, yeah? If I heard about an ice cream place, comment down. Twisted treats?
Yeah.
Yeah.
First time in history. I'm almost done before Richie.
Wow.
And he gave me some of his food.
Wow.
You must be still in your birthday mood.
And the people that give a little food, I like that. I feel some type of way to give a little food. Right? I like when first they say she's full. First they didn't full. I don't like that, son.
But the catfish?
I like to get the catfish a go.
It's a go-go.
Yes. I know what y'all saying. How we didn't ask y'all what y'all doing for the weekend. It's the same thing.
I was gonna ask you now. But I thought they were gonna say, all right. I do the same thing. But
It's the same thing.
every weekend is different.
No, they still do the same crap. Right or wrong? Same thing? Same thing, just a different day, right? Yeah, I know. You know I don't like this day. This one I don't like. You know what I'm saying? You want more Gatorade, Tom?
What I want? I want you to make me a catfish. I love catfish.
If you like catfish, I'm gonna make it for you. When we get it, I told you. When we catch it,
we gotta get it.
Richie. Sure, they're up first, lady.
Woo!
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 You good?
First lady.
First lady in the building. Always. They give you napkins too.
More napkins than food.
Eat as much of my potatoes as you want.
You don't like it?
I like the potato, but your food is done. I don't think you ate nothing. I don't like that because...
I ate.
Your food done too quick.
I don't like to be stuffed.
Calm me down for you. The first day to get a lot of food.
Yeah.
I don't think you did. I know she's slow, but she didn't get a lot of food. I don't like that. First day never done before me. So she done before me, you know. She didn't get a lot of food.
I'm laughing because, oh my gosh, Mr. Paya.
It's alright.
My brother-in-law talking about, oh, you eat too slow, man.
First day, you're one of the neatest mukbang eater ever did to blow out. You take your time, you don't make nothing bother you. First be like this.
Yeah, man, that's my food. Oh, he said I take like 5 bites of one thing.
You sure do. Me? One and done.
One and done.
See that? First lady helping me. So what y'all be talking about? My first lady eat, dog. Yo, Gatorade nice. Are you thirsty?
Yeah, man.
Nice, man.
So if it was oxtail, you give me some too?
No, you can't get no oxtail. Oxtail work. Yeah, your plate could have shot. Your oxtail can't work. No, when it's oxtail, you know I don't share oxtail time. Family know that. When it comes to oxtail, I don't play around.
I can't get over how seasoned this catfish is.
That catfish is seasoned. I ain't gonna lie. Full now. Okay.
I just needed more
Potato.
potato. You know it.
I'm glad you're full. I could taste the smokiness.
Yeah. Thank you for offering me the potatoes.
Welcome. I gotta make sure you're full. See, that's what I like when she says she's full. Because I know she wasn't full. I knew that.
I'm telling you.
Wow.
I can imagine how the shrimp tastes. What is it?
By my lip.
Oh.
Damn, young.
You gotta be careful.
I don't know what the fuck that was, but yeah.
Excuse me. So now that means we eat the hot sauce?
I hate biting my damn lip, man. And my teeth be going through that shit.
How you bite it so much?
I don't know. I'm not eating fast.
You eat fast, man. I had a piece of crunch from the catfish. That catfish is banging. And for some reason, I knew it would be good.
Why?
Because it's catfish.
And that was a catfish strips?
I honestly thought it was going to be like a whole catfish, like how they have it at Hooks. But it's okay. At Hooks, they give you like 2 big pieces of catfish with fries and stuff like that.
I can't believe it. I'm the last one to finish eating. It's gonna rain. Yes. It's gonna rain.
Honey, can I have some more Gatorade?
Yeah. Gonna rain.
It's gonna rain, man.
Take all of it. It's done.
It's gonna rain.
You see, you never want no more Gatorade. I stood here. You say you don't want them. You see that, family?
So why you gotta point that out?
And then I drink it off
why
now.
you gotta point it out for? You always gotta
Family.
point stuff out.
And then when I drink it off, she gonna say, "Oh, I want more."
So why you gotta point it out though?
The birdie I'm on you with well, just look at this part, the bony part. Take that bony part. Bony part. Nice. See you. First I like the bony part.
It's smoky.
Too much smoke my use. Come like a cigarette.
Where do you think about these stuff from?
Smoky man.
It's good though.
Yeah. You think that's the artificial thing what you tell me about?
Oh, like
Yeah.
maybe.
Or you think it's grill? Grill one?
Maybe.
Alright, family.
Ooh.
I appreciate y'all stopping by.
You not give them a wow?
I'm gonna give it a while. I'm gonna tell them I appreciate y'all stopping by.
Frightened me because I was. Oh, you didn't give them a wow yesterday on the live.
I might give them one more.
I forgot.
Okay. If we're saying it right, we don't know the comment name, so let us know what's the comment name. We appreciate this meal. What you catered for us?
Delicious. Best meal.
Delicious. Excellent. You know it was good too because you tasted you got the first bite. R&B, photography. Thank you for that cash app also.
Yes.
We appreciate y'all. And anybody else that want to do stuff like that, it's down there.
So this shirt he actually uses money to buy.
Oh, I forgot. Yeah. Check it out. Nice, right?
His birthday money. He bought this shirt. Size small.
Size small. So appreciate that. You know what I'm saying? See? If you want to send me some shirt, also you can send it. I don't care if it's a woman's shirt. Send it. I still wear it.
Yeah.
But we appreciate y'all for that. Okay. So wow. Thank you for telling me first thing I forgot.
I forgot.
Thank you. Okay.
You know we go right to the food.
We go right to the food now. Let me see what I got for y'all. Wait, I didn't give them one yesterday. I think I should drop 2 for them today. I just one.
Where's that?
Okay. Family, first lady. We do this all the time. Okay, but the family members, I know they do it too. Okay, family? What people think about you is not important. What you think about yourself means everything.
Yep.
Wait, what do you think?
Yep. I agree.
All right, I'm going to give you one more.
Ooh.
Since I didn't give you a one for the live yesterday, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
The trail, if that's how I pronounce it, this one is for you because you wanted one on the live. You know, we have to cut it. All right, so this one.
You're cute, you know.
Always. So the girl said, man, we need some. Look handsome.
No, that's what
Hey, here we go. One more. Find something that makes you happy and use it to make others happy. So, elaborate first, lady. So we do YouTube and we bring some people maybe having a bad day. Some may having a good day, but
you gonna say you're cute, man. We can't stop looking on you.
That's what the people them tell me when I drive through. All right, we appreciate y'all. Thank you for stopping by. I know y'all could have other stuff to do, but you came by.
I'm gonna cut it out. Stop it. I'm gonna cut it out.
I don't say that part.
Don't say. Don't know.
All right, we appreciate y'all. If you're new, subscribe. We are the Greedy Couple. This is Shanice, aka First Lady, and this is Richie. Pastor Richie. So they are First Lady.
You guys are the Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang.
Bye.